We're at 179 Bar and Grill in New Rochelle, New York. Cheers. We're starting off with a Bellini and a Strawberry Mimosa. Ah, that's delicious. The Eggs Benedict has the nice creamy yolk. Perfectly made. Cheers.
Like it?
It's perfect. The Italian Margarita. It's beautiful. It has a rose petal on top, mint leaf, lime slice. And what makes an Italian Margarita is Terrano Blanco tequila, Gala orange brandy, Aperol, agave nectar, lime juice, and orange juice. Cheers. Wow, that's really good. You really taste the juice.
Really good.
There's a lot going on in here. This is delicious. Let me act like it's mine.
It's not.
My Espresso Martini. Oh, that's creamy. Coastal Cucumber Martini. Oh, that's great. If you love a nice cucumber flavor, this is overwhelmingly cucumber, delicious. Garnished with a cucumber and a rose petal. So nice. The Coastal Cucumber Martini consists of Grille gin, fresh muddled cucumber, fresh lime juice, and elderflower liquor. Never even heard of this. Tres Leches French toast. It has some bacon on it. Oh crap. Tres Leches French toast. It has bacon, strawberries, whipped cream, tres leches, whatever. Cheers. The whipped cream is so fluffy and light. I love it. It's delicious. Lava cake dessert, brunch dessert. Wow. The cookie's hot. And the ice cream's nice and cold, melted all over the hot cookie. The cookie's nice and soft. It's big like a brownie. Delicious. Perfect way to top off the brunch. This has been a spectacular brunch here at 179 Bar and Grill, New Rochelle, New York. If you're looking for a nice brunch place, I recommend this place. The food, the drinks, the staff, everything is incredible. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love. YouTube, yep.